Did y'all know that Dolly has a cookbook? Well, I did not know. We're going to make what is a Dolly inspired chicken casserole. I am just shredding up my chicken and I just do it with my hands. It's the best tool. And I'm just using 2 chicken breasts. You could maybe use 2 to 3 large. Okay, my chicken is shredded. Now we're going to go in with a cup of sour cream, 1 can of cream of chicken soup, I'm just going to kind of mix those right there together. And then we have a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, and about a cup of cheese. And you can use shredded. I just used what I had, which was partly sharp cheddar and the other part was Colby. So I'm just going to go in with that's probably about almost a cup. And then we're just going to mix this all together. Okay, I almost forgot, it also calls for a half a cup of chicken broth. Now just put this right into the casserole dish. Now we go on top with remaining cheese. Okay, I'm going to set this to the side for a moment. Okay, the last thing that we do is crush up a sleeve of crackers. With 1 stick of melted butter. And get that combined. And then that just gets sprinkled right on top. And that's it. And this goes into a 350 oven for about 30 to 45 minutes, just until it's golden brown. See you in a minute. Well, let's see how Dolly's recipe is. It's really cheesy and creamy looking, I will say. Mm. That is Southern comfort food right there in a dish. I would say make this. I've made several chicken casseroles. This one's good and creamy, cheesy. It's just good deliciousness. Thanks you guys for joining me on Recreate the Plate.